lot of energy.
Yeah. Or you can ask any question you like.
The question is, do you have more energy now than you did 5 years ago, or less?
Yes, I have more energy.
How come?
Because I'm Somali.
You're Somali?
Yes.
And you have more energy because you're Somali?
Yes, I do.
Okay, very good.
I'm Somali and I would like to, talk about my country problems.
Well, that's not what this story's about.
Yo, what's the story about?
Whether people have more energy or less energy than they did 5 years ago.
I have more energy.
Okay, good. Thank you very much for your time.
So, what I'm saying is like,
I gotta turn it down, you're very loud.
what I'm asking, the government of Canada is to give my passport, which they keep me for 3 months with no reason. My passport is, it is hard for them to get African people.
Yeah.
It is hard for get to Asian people.
Yeah.
And it's hard for them to get European people.
Okay.
I got through with 3 continental my passport.
Okay.
So I'm asking the government of Canada to give my passport. I don't need anything else.
Okay. Very good. Good luck with that.
Okay.
Okay, take care.